Sybiz Vision gives your staff incredible insight and control over the entire manufacturing process, whether bespoke manufacturing to order or manufacturing to stock. There's a huge amount of flexibility in how we can manage our assemblies, especially controlling how we are able to account for manufacturing issues and returns in Sybiz Vision. In this video, we'll take a closer look at more of Sybiz Vision's manufacturing capability, showing how we can transfer stock across locations, monitor our manufacturing workflow, and finalise customer orders. In this example, a sales order is the origin of our manufacturing run. Our sales orders that require manufacturing will appear in this tab, Sales Orders Awaiting Work Orders. We can control the introduction of our orders into the manufacturing process by managing the creation of the associated work order. We can right-click and instantly create a work order based on our existing sales order. When our manufacturing team is ready to pick up a customer's order, they can see all the jobs in the queue and automate the transfer or purchase of component shortfalls into the manufacturing location. The tabbed workflow gives us a quick and intuitive overview of where orders are in the manufacturing run, with the ability to drill down into transactions for more details. In this instance, we also need to track serial numbers for some of these bike parts, and we can generate those directly from our manufacturing order. Further controls can be added, such as the option to enable a quality control stage to better manage the release of finished goods into stock. Throughout this whole process, our team can keep an eye on how manufacturing runs are progressing through the Sales Orders Awaiting Fulfillment tab. And once the manufacturing process is complete, the invoice can be generated immediately from the right-click menu. If you want more information about how Sybiz Vision manufacturing capability can help your business succeed, contact our sales team today to discuss Sybiz Vision.